How you doing? You know what I think you said. I didn't set up on any currency pair because I've been on the break for so long. So so good. I'm back on YouTube, and the first quarter of the year is actually over. So now we're in the second quarter, and we have a lot of things going on here and there. So this year so far, since the immigration of Trump and all that, the market has been going well. So today I'll just be dropping three signals that I'll tell you. Currently I'm on a trade which is a position trade. This is currently I'm on a drawdown. Yes, so today let me just give you a very quick setup on euro dollar. Now I'm on the monthly time frame. So now on the monthly time frame, we are seeing that currently we are on a buy on the weekly side. Markets actually broke through a very strong major resistance zone, which signifies buying pressure is still active. Now, why I say it's still active because of the buyers are still in the market. So the only thing we are waiting for is probably a pullback or a market pattern play out or something that we can just enter the market, whether a pullback to an order block, a pullback to a moving average, a pullback to whatever strategy you are using. Before we now wait for a candlestick signal, a market signal at probably at a key support or a key support level or a key order block level. You understand? It might be a mitigation block or a rejection block. Anyone you want to wait for. So now I'll be going down to the third time frame, which is the daily time frame. You can see that I've mapped out my key level that I'm actually expecting a pullback. Or now you can see that on euro dollar, the difference between euro dollar and pound dollar is that euro dollar actually moves gently, but it does not really create spikes like that. It moves with respect. Now, why our elder brother, which is pounds dollar, that guy used to move anyhow, and it creates weak all the time, almost all the time, if I'm not mistaken. So now you can see that on the daily time frame, the market is currently forming a triangle pattern. Now, what we are going to wait for right here is a breakout. Do you understand? It's a breakout. Now, when I say a breakout in the sense that we don't place a trade here, it can break out to the downside and make a retest of structure, then continue in the bullish direction. So now you can see, then this takes us to the 1 hour time frame. You can also most people actually ask me that I don't do mentorship, I don't do signal. I do mentorship and signal. Sorry, I don't used to drop it on YouTube while I'm uploading a video, because I'm not really more of that. But due to the questioning and all that, I will employ a team that's going to be as replying you guys on that. So if you want mentorship, just click on the link attached to the video, then create your broker account. Then if you have any question, you can call or send a WhatsApp message. Do you understand? So this is what you can see that currently euro dollar is currently forming a triangle. The second one, which is AUD card. I said I'll be dropping only two from the beginning of the video. You can see that so far so good. AUD card has been in a downtrend where it even formed head and shoulder pattern. I don't trade head and shoulders pattern. I only trade double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom. and weak rejection and other block and mitigation block and retest of structure or breakout of structure, breakout and retest. I don't trade ranges. I don't trade ranges. But I can scalp. I do scalp ranges as well, and I also teach about trades. But if you don't have enough money in your account, please don't trade the ranging market. Wait for a trend. The trend is your friend. You understand? So why I say trend is your friend is that just obey the trend. If it's a sell, it's a sell. The market might do whatever they want to do. Just sit back, observe, and enter. Do you understand? So now this takes us to the this we are in sorry, let me take you to the monthly time frame. Yeah, I'm using my screen for this. You can see market made a very long it sold out at a particular moment. Let me help you guys to pick out the day. This was January. This is January candlestick. That was beginning of the year. The market sold out a lot, creating a very strong week, and immediately it rejects. Now, one thing about it is that whenever there's a massive sale, there's always what they call a rejection. That the market is going to reject and come back, either to retest that structure or to reverse. You understand? So now let's use our Fibonacci retracement. So I dragged our FIB2 from swing high to swing low. So this is it right here. You can see that the market pulled back at 61.8%. You understand? So that's where the market pulled back to. So now what I'm anticipating here now is that market respects this a lot. So now we are anticipating to sell. So I'll be removing the fib tool for more clarity. So now what I'll be doing is that I'll be anticipating to sell. So now you can see that the market is what when it came back to this zone, this resistance level, it rejected it as well, and now the sellers are stepping in. So what we're doing is that we are selling out now. Do you understand? We're selling out now. The only business we have here now is to sell out, because we can see that it has created a tiny double top right here and it has rejected it. So now when you want to enter, you enter with small position. Then later when the market is going down, this 1 hour time frame, you can see forming the pattern as well also right here. So we wait for a breakout. We enter with a very small lot size, then we watch, then first start stacking it up with bigger lot size. Remember, risk management is the key in forex trading. So that's that about that. You can follow me, you can subscribe to the channel, you can share it on your page, share it to people. You can also follow me on TikTok. I'm only active on TikTok, YouTube, and also on LinkedIn. So I'm not active on Instagram yet, and I'm not on Facebook. So anybody that's testing on Facebook for any investment package, I'm not the one. But I, I can give you tips on how to pass your this funding people and all that if you become part of the team. So that's all about that. Thanks for taking your time to watch out, and wishing you guys success this coming week.